My name is Stephanie. I'm an occupational therapist at UNC Rex Hospital. I'm here today to talk to you about how to put your socks on and take them off after you've had something like a total hip replacement when you're not allowed to bend past 90 degrees, or low back surgery, or it's just difficult to get your socks off and on. So this is a piece of equipment called a sock aid. There are different types out there. This is a basic one that we prefer usually. This looks like a U. It has two ropes, plastic, and it's a really handy piece of equipment. We also have dressing sticks that have a hook, and we also have reachers. Now this is what's going to help you put the socks on, and these pieces are going to be the tools that help you take them off. So let's talk about putting them on first. If you look at the U, the bottom of the U is where the heel of the sock is going to go. So I've got a sock here, and what we're going to do is just put it over the end of the sock aid with the heel pointing towards the bottom of the U, and we're pulling it on all the way until the seam of the toe is tied across the top. When you pull the sock down, if you have tennis socks or something that's footy, you just pull it down until it's tight. If you have something like a crew sock that's a little bit longer, what you never want to do is pull the sock over the end of the sock aid like so, because you can't get your foot in. And you also don't want to pull the elastic all the way to the bottom. You want to distribute it a little bit so that it's not as tight. The last tip I have to give you about putting it on is if it's folded here on the sock aid for some reason, that's how it's going to go on your leg, and it's a lot harder to fix once it's on your leg. So if you don't like that, go ahead and straighten it like so. Then it will go on where it's not folded. Next step is to take the ends of the rope all the way to the end. If you hold it further down, oops, you don't have enough rope to hold on to. So you hold all the way to the end. You're going to get a good swing, throw it out to the floor, and you're going to put your toe in and pull it up. You're just going to keep what we call choking up on the rope, making it shorter, and pull it all the way on, go nice and slow, and voila. The next step is just to drop one rope and pull it up, and you're ready for the next sock. We'll do that one just so you can see a repeat. Again, you're going to put the heel towards the bottom, pull it all the way on, get it nice and straight, get it nice and distributed, and unfold it. Hold the end of the rope all the way to the handles, swing it out, put your foot in, and pull it up. Now, I will tell you a tip here. I'm going to take my foot out for a second. You do not have to lift your foot to put it in. You see how I'm bending past 90 degrees? There's no need for that. If you find that you're doing it and trying to find it, that means you didn't throw it out far enough. So if you throw it out far enough, you don't have to bend it at all. Just put your toe in, pull it up, and you've got socks on. Drop the rope, and you're done. Now, to take them off, there are two tools, like I said before. The dressing stick has a hook pointing down and up. If you take the one that's pointing down, let me turn my foot this way, you can put it towards the outside of your heel and get it to the back and push it all the way off. There you have it. Now the other sock I'm going to take off with the reacher. The reacher, you can push with here or you can push here. Either way, you want to make sure that you don't push just with this, because this can break. You're going to get it towards the outside here and maybe pinch really nice and tight, push it to the back of the heel. If you push to the side, the ball of the heel gets stuck. Sometimes it's a little bit harder, so if you can push it to the back and push it off the heel, that's great. Now, you can keep pushing, or you can actually grab the toe and pull it off the rest of the way. Whatever works best for you. Just remember in these situations that it takes time and patience to learn new tasks and new habits. Give yourself time, because before long, after practice, it's going to be very fast and a lot easier. I hope this helps. Good luck with getting dressed and getting undressed with your socks, and I hope you have a great day.